This is how to download slides from Gamma AI. From your dashboard, select a Gamma presentation, then select a slide you want to download, for instance, this one. Then click this three dots, then click this arrow down icon so that it will be exported. Select an export type, so let's choose PPTX. And your slide has been downloaded. You can also go to the upper right corner, click this three dots, then go to export, then choose which card you want to download. So just click this one, then choose custom range, say for instance 4 to 7, then choose export to PowerPoint. And this is how to download slides from Gamma AI.